Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Farmer protest. Sites at Delhi border likely to be vacated in the 2 days. Border areas in Delhi where farmer protests were held are likely to be vacated in 2 more days. Sources in the Samyukt Kisan Morcha have said. May take 2 more days to vacate borders where farmers' protests are being held. The agitation could be continued in some other form in other states until demands are met and given in a written form, sources informed. Farmers Union meet. We want everything on paper, says Rakesh Tikyat. The Farmers Union body, Samyukta Kisan Morcha, is said to meet today to decide the future course of their protest against the 3 laws. On Tuesday, the centre had sent a detailed draft to the Samyukta Kisan Morcha's 5-member committee after factoring in their feedback. The Farmers Union accepted the government proposal, addressing their pending demands on Wednesday. Will the year-long protest be called off anytime soon? Rakesh Tikwat said he would go home only after all the farmers from the Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and from other parts of the country reach their homes safely. Yes, we will stay here till the end. When every single person reaches home, only then will Ghazipur protest site be clear. This is our monitoring point. We have told the government side that our only demand is that they should be given in written. We will not accept it until it is written on the paper with the stamp of the government. We do not have any time limit. We just need the paper. We have to meeting of 12 o'clock, and if we had the papers by the day, will take actions based on that. SKM sources told France releases Saudi man mistakenly held in connection with the Khashoggi killing. France released on Wednesday the Saudi national arrested at Paris airport over the suspected links to the killing of journalist Jamal Khashoggi after the official concluded it was a case of mistaken identity. French law enforcement sources had identified that the man in detention has Khalid Eid Al-Otaibi, the same name as a former member of the Saudi Royal Guard, listed in US and British sanctioned document and a UN Commission report as having been involved in Khashoggi killing in Turkey. The Saudi embassy in Paris had said late on Tuesday the arrested person has nothing to do with the case in question. Prosecutors said checks had shown the warrant issued by Turkey, which had triggered the arrest when the man's passport was scanned during the border checks, did not apply to the man arrested to the airport. Khashoggi, a Washington Post journalist and critic of Saudi Arabia de facto ruler Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, was last seen entering the Saudi consulate in Istanbul on October 2, 2018. With the news of arresting in Paris, a heartbroken rights group of Khashoggi financiers had expressed relief that such a high-profile suspect had been caught. The arrest had come at a sensitive time for the country's involvement. Macron considers Saudi Arabia vital to help forge a region-wide peace deal with the Iran as well as the ally in the fight against Islamist militants from the Middle East to West Africa and the rampart against the Muslim Brotherhood.
জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.